This evening, the story of a mother seeking help for her child with a medical condition that could leave him crippled if it goes untreated. We have more in this report.
Meet Raymond Campbell, a 14-year-old student of the Victor Dixon High School in Manchester. From the outside looking in, things seem normal, but the youngster is suffering from a medical condition. Margaret Thomas is his mother.
I noticed him back getting, like one side, getting lean, and like he lean to that side. So I bring him to the doctor, and the doctor sent me to Kingston, and they tell me that he has scoliosis.
Scoliosis is an abnormal curve of the spine that occurs most often during the growth spurt just before puberty. While most persons with scoliosis have a mild form of the disorder, scoliosis may sometimes cause complications, including lung and heart damage. According to the mother, the youngster interacts well with his peers, but sometimes struggles with self-esteem issues due to the illness. That aside, Raymond has big hopes and dreams of serving his country.
Police officer, so I can make my country a better place.
So why you want to become a police officer?
Because certain crimes that are happening in Jamaica don't necessary.
For now, the curving of the spine is not painful, but it's his desire to sit and stand without discomfort.
I just don't feel comfortable. And I don't think I can achieve what I want with the scoliosis.
According to the family, Raymond's condition has worsened over the last year. The matter was further compounded when they received news that surgery is needed.
The doctor said if he does not do the surgery, he will live in a wheelchair for the rest of his life. And he's my son. He's very active in school and active at home, so I would like him to do the surgery.
The problem is, Miss Thomas is a domestic helper, and the screws, rods, and the monitoring of the nerve cost over $1.4 million.
Please help me, because if he does not do the surgery, the doctor says he will live in a wheelchair for the rest of his life, and I does not want that for him, because I see his potential in him.
The surgery is set for November, and for the family, time is winding down. For Raymond, the thought of being wheelchair-bound is what bothers him the most. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.